Hi guys, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to work the half double crochet stitch. A little ball here of number 6 super bulky yarn and my number 10 millimeter crochet hook. I'll start with a slip knot on my hook. And then I will make a chain of about 10. So to get started, we're going to skip the first 1 or 2 chains and work into the third. For me, my tension is pretty loose, so I'm just going to skip 1 and I'm going to work into the second chain to make my first half double crochet. So I'm going to skip the first and work into the second. I prefer to work into the back, so I am going to yarn over my hook and then insert it under that loop of my chain stitch. Yarn over again and pull a loop through. I'll have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That makes 1 half double crochet stitch. Now I'm just going to repeat that across the chain. Yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, when I get to the end of my row, you'll see here this is the little knot I made when I did the slip knot. I don't work into that one, I'm just leaving it. That is my first row of half double crochets. Now to keep going, I am going to turn my work, so I flip it so that I will be starting on the right again. And you can see this horizontal line of yarn. That is the trademark of the half double crochet. Okay, so again, you can either chain 1 or 2 for your half double crochet rows. What you want to do is chain enough to get up to the height of the stitch you're working. For me, the chain 1 is comfortable and it doesn't get confusing if or mistaken for a stitch at the start of the row. So I'm going to chain 1 to start, and then I'm going to work under these 2 loops of the first stitch. Yarn over, insert my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over again, pull the yarn up and through, yarn over and pull through those 3. So there's my first half double crochet stitch, and that's my chain, my turning chain that we don't work into. I'm just going to keep repeating that. You can see where I'm going to put my hook from here. It's under the top 2 loops. Okay, there's my last stitch of the row. Work into that. And there I have 2 rows of half double crochet. And you just keep doing that, and you turn your work, start again, and keep working it up.